Hello students, welcome to grammar class. Students, today we are going to start with a new topic of punctuations and capital letters. Punctuations means full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, exclamation mark, inverted commas, apostrophe or ellipsis mark. Now, these are the marks useful in grammar. Okay, there will be sentences given to you in a question paper. You have to put the punctuation marks according to the sentence you read. Okay, and again, I am repeating, these all things you have already studied in your previous classes. Okay, previous class में आप already ये पढ़ चुके हो. Then also I am going to teach you this in brief. First we are starting with full stop. Period represent the longest pause. It is used as to mark the end of an assertive or imperative sentence. Okay. Then next, after abbreviations and initials. As you can take example, she is an excellent teacher. Full stop. Second, example, full stop, etc, etc, full stop, CO कंपनी के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म. सो आफ्टर CO देयर इज़ अ फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट इज द कॉमा. इट इज़ द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉज. इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ पंक्चुएशन मार्क दैट सेपरेट्स वर्ड्स, clauses or ideas within a sentence. Okay, now example of comma. You will need soap, comma, shampoo and conditioner. That means comma is used whenever you separate a thing or a statement from the another thing or a statement. Like second one, it was a difficult task for me, comma, but I tried my best. In the first one, it was separated for the thing. In the second word, it was separated for the other sentence. So it is clear. The next is semicolons. This punctuation mark indicates a pause between two main clauses or the independent clauses that are closely related in a thought. Example, she is a teacher, semicolon, her husband is a businessman. Next, I love gulab jamun, semicolon, it is my favorite dessert. So you have seen the two sentences were closely related with each other, so we use the semicolon over here. Next is colon. It is a punctuation mark consisting of two equally sized dots centered on the same vertical plane. A colon often precedes an explanation or a list. हम कॉलन तभी यूज़ करते हैं जब हम फर्दर उसी स्टेटमेंट को कंप्लीट करने जा रहे होते हैं या लिस्ट बना रहे होते हैं. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. वी लर्न द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट्स. देयर इज़ अ कॉलन लाइक मैथ्स, साइंस एंड इंग्लिश. Colons are used for expressing time in figures. Like second one you can see 6:30, 12:15, 10:10. The next is question mark. It is used at the end of the sentence or phrase to indicate a direct question. It is not used for indirect questions. It is also known as interrogation point, note of interrogation or question point. Then examples. What can be the matter now? Question mark. Did you go to the market? Again question mark. So it represents that we are asking something to anyone or someone. Next, exclamation mark. It is used to express a sense of strong emotion in a sentence. It was originally called the note of admiration. Examples of exclamation you can see. You are gorgeous, exclamation mark. What a beautiful dress, exclamation mark. That means there is a admiration in the sentence, so we are going to use exclamation mark. Next, inverted commas. It is also known as quotation marks or speech marks. These are mainly used to mark a speaker's speech or a quote by a famous personality. That means whenever there is a quote, we are going to put the inverted commas in the sentence. Like examples, she said, inverted comma, comma, inverted commas open, I am writing a story, full stop, inverted commas closed. Second, inverted commas open, The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Full stop. Then inverted commas closed, by Mahatma Gandhi. That means there is a quotation given by Mahatma Gandhi, or it is quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. So the sentence is in the inverted commas. And next is apostrophe. It is used to indicate the omission of a letter or letters from word. Denotes the ownership of something. That means particular जब हम किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, at that time we are going to use this apostrophe. First example, don't walk on the grass. You can see in don't apostrophe it is there. Second, these are Neha's books. Neha एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात हो रही है, इसलिए हमने वहाँ पे apostrophe s लगाया है. That means the holder of the book. Last punctuation is the ellipsis mark. It is a punctuation mark consisting of 3 dots. An ellipsis is used when omitting a word, phrase, line, paragraph, etc. It saves space or remove material that is less relevant. Like we say in the end of the sentence, to be continued or to be continues, 3 dots. Second, losing that job turned out to be a blessing for him as, then again 3 dots. Next is capital letters. Every letter or alphabet has 2 ways it is written, as a capital letter and as a lowercase letter. Let's look at some rules for the capital letters. First, always capitalize the first letter or alphabet in a sentence. यानी कि alphabet जो first है आपके sentence का वो हमेशा capital होना चाहिए. Second, it is used with proper noun. And third, the pronoun I is always written in capital. That means I word अगर आप देखो alphabet तो बीच sentence में भी उसे capital ही बनाना होता है. It's a rule. Now see the examples. The bike is black. The तो T alphabet आप देख रहे हैं capital है. Second, name. Mukesh, Bombay. Place, Delhi. Again place, etc. are in capital letters. Third, my father says I am perfect. I word is in the middle of the sentence, then also it is a capital one. So over here our topic is completed. Do the exercise shared in the PDF in your notebook and keep your notebooks ready for the checking. Thank you.